Hello, everybody. Welcome to this lesson. Today we will check the use of past continuous with while and when. Check your lesson. How to use these two words. When, you're going to use it with a short action in past simple. And while, you're going to use it with a longer action in past continuous tense. For example, I was watching TV, past continuous. When Jim knocked the door, past simple. I was watching TV, past continuous, while Jim was knocking the door, past continuous. Okay? So here I'm going to show you some more examples so you have more ideas on how to use this while and when. All these examples are using while. Here you have this image. This is me, yeah? I was watching TV while checking my Instagram. So I was doing both things at the same time. He was drinking coffee while watching through the window. Both activities at the same moment, drinking coffee and watching through the window. She was sleeping while he was reading a book. Two activities happening at the same time. He was covering his eyes while she was driving. Activities happening at the same time. Now let's check when. When he arrived, I was watching TV. This was happening when this happened. I was eating pizza when they invited me out. She was sleeping when her phone rang. When I cooked, my mom was working. One activity finished and the other was continuing. Now it's your turn. You are going to create 5 examples using when and 5 examples using while. Use the examples of this presentation to help you to create your own. Write your examples on the platform. That's all for today. Until next time. Bye.